Hello, thank you for stopping by. I wanted to do a quick flip through of my junk journal that I made for my sweet colleague and friend, dear Sonia. And I actually made this book in one evening, which is quite incredible. I think it took almost 5 hours, start to finish. I did a binding through the book's spine itself after reinforcing it and covering the inside covers with some cardstock paper. Now, some of the things you will see inside the journal are from my previous AliExpress haul. For example, the fabric, the sari silk ribbon is actually from an Etsy shop, but it's in the same haul video. Some of the stamps and all of the stenciling is from AliExpress from the last haul. And some of the other stamps are also AliExpress, but from previous hauls. And this lace you see here is also AliExpress from a previous haul. And so are these little stamps. And yeah, and just in case you wonder, there's a few dog images in there because Sonia has a lovely golden retriever and loves dogs in general, so I wanted to include some of those. They actually do look a bit like her cutie pie Beethoven. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking now and just lean back, enjoy the few minutes, and enjoy the music. Thank you. Bye.
These fires in our hearts now before we are homebound. Oh. Staring at the lights as they illuminate the sky. Don't you worry that we're running out of time, but it doesn't matter when staring at the lights. Picking up the pieces, step by step.